Woo. Holy damn it, guys. I got the belt back on. I think we'll make it out this time. Oh, fuck. Holy. Had the belt on backwards, of course. Great. Let's get out of this fucking shit. Holy jeez. Holy, there you go, guys. Fucking A. I told you I'd make it with no mud, or ice, I mean. This ain't no pussy mud. I've seen 4x4s get stuck in here. Like Honda Foremans and fucking little shit. I mean, not big four-wheelers like any independent quads or anything, but 4x4 four-wheelers with stock tires, they do get stuck in here. It's some nasty shit. Once you get in the middle there, it's just, it's pretty bad. The belt's starting to slip really bad. I think I fried it yesterday. It barely even hooks up. And, yeah, once I get a new belt on there, even if it gets wet, it'll pull it right through. So there you go, guys. I conquered the death pond. You watched me do it twice. Well, 1.5 times, I guess. It claimed me once or twice, but I made it. And the rear end of this isn't locked. It's not welded or nothing. It's just open still, but I don't know. For some reason, both of the tires spin most of the time, unless you get on 2 wheels, and it only spins one. You just gotta lean, and both of them will hook up. But yeah, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Rate it, subscribe, do whatever you want. Sacrifice myself again. Almost fell in the mud there. Almost lost my cell phone, my wrenches. So we'll see.